Good afternoon to you. As my picture suggests, you're going to need your umbrella over the next couple of days. But umbrella probably not the most appropriate attire because it's going to be quite windy as well. Let me show you what's happening right now on the radar picture. You can see there's some quite heavy bursts of rain that have moved back into the southwest of England. Great lump of bright colours over Northern Ireland right now. That's on its way up across the western parts of Scotland, and all this rain in the south moving over Wales and into the western part of England through the rest of the afternoon. So some heavy rain in store, I'm afraid. Western England, Wales, Northern Ireland and the western side of Scotland worst affected by that. Some of that rain heavy enough perhaps to cause some local flood problems as well. Whilst all that's going on in the west, in the east it's a much drier story, a bright story and a warm one as well, with the sunshine in the more eastern parts of England. Holding on to that sunshine through the afternoon, we'll probably find those temperatures up at around 19, even 20 degrees Celsius with a warm southerly wind. Now those winds are going to feature, as I've mentioned. Initially, tomorrow they'll come in from the south or the southwest, and then as a new area of low pressure starts to take shape, we'll find those winds increasing all of the time we move into the second half of the weekend. So some windy weather throughout the next 24 hours, some wet weather overnight tonight, the last bit of that rain moving across northern England into Scotland, and showers to follow on behind. And with the wind from the southwest, we shouldn't see those temperatures fall much below 9, 10 or 11 degrees. Now looking further ahead, some stormy weather this weekend, I'm afraid. Strong to gale force winds and heavy rain. Westerly areas really bearing the brunt of some of those very strong winds, and also the more persistent rain at times as well. It's this area of low pressure out here in the Atlantic, develops and moves across us. You can see how squeezed together those isobars are. It really is going to be very strong and windy for many parts of the United Kingdom. Those winds change in direction as we move into next week with west or northwesterly winds. So hopefully the winds calming down, but also a change in the temperature after the warmth we've seen over the last few days. So there's the forecast for Saturday. A scattering of showers just about everywhere, those strong winds making their appearance. A very windy and wet day for most of southern Britain during the course of Sunday, and that rain on its way northwards through the afternoon into the evening. And then as we move into Monday, the area of low pressure right across us. So inshore waters forecasts are going to be very windy indeed. If you are in a small boat, then do take care. Blustery showers for all of us, with the more persistent rain lying across the more northern parts of Scotland on Sunday. So all in all, very much unsettled.